You want to have super bright lights on your BMW, guys? Okay, check out, this is the factory lights, LED lights. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do that and check out the difference, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and show you how we achieve that result. Hey guys, welcome back to Honest Product Review. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we're going to review Auxbeam LED headlight bulbs, guys, and we'll be demonstrating these bulbs, how they perform on BMW, guys. They come with a device that actually eliminates the possibility of getting an error message that you have a bulb out, because sometimes when you install LED bulbs on German vehicles, especially BMW, Mercedes, guys, Audi, Volkswagen, you get a error message that there is something wrong with your headlight. Stay with us and we'll show you guys how those bulbs perform, and we're going to talk more about that. You can see where we got them from. You can find the link in the description of the video below. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So this is, guys, the bulbs, okay, right here by Auxbeam. Let me show you what the bulb looks like. Okay, this is the bulb, guys. It has that super thin chip. That's what I like about it. The light pattern is supposed to be amazing on that bulb. So we're going to put it to the test and see what it looks like. So make sure you stay with us, guys. Now, another thing, guys, okay, they have the different sizes, okay, right here. So those are the different sizes, guys, of the bulbs. You can see they have H1, H3, H4, H7, different ones, guys. And you actually get even a free sticker, guys. We already installed one of the bulbs. What you have to do, okay, you need to get that device. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to install it quick and connect it to the bulb. This is the device that actually eliminates, okay, the possibility of getting an error message that the headlight bulb is out. So we go ahead. All you have to do, install it goes only one certain way, and then you're going to install your bulb. Okay, we have one of them already installed. All you have to do, put the device inside, but you can see, guys, okay, how good it fits. The cooling fan is right there. So we'll go ahead and install the low beams as well, and after that, guys, okay, we're going to check the results. So make sure you stay with us until the very end. So we're ready to turn the headlights on that BMW, guys, and see how those Auxbeam headlight bulbs perform. Okay, we have them installed on the left and the right side, low beams, high beams. You can see how bright the light is. It's simply amazing, guys. Okay, simply something that I'll definitely recommend. And let me show you now the pattern here on the door. Okay, looks great. High beams and low beams. Let's do low beams only. Okay, perfect, low beams. You can see on low beams how they make they're flat. That's how it's supposed to be, because some LED bulbs will be really, guys, okay, they won't be flat on low beams. They will be really circlish looking, so that's not good. High beams, it's fine because it shoots in the distance, but low beams, they need to have that flat look. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.